আমি
আমি
তোমায়
তোমায়
ভালো
ভালোবাসি।
বাসি। Okay, good. আমি তোমায়
আমি তোমায় মেশি
ভালোবাসি। ভালোবাসি।
ভালোবাসি।
Okay,
What?
good. আমি
আমি
তোমায়
তোমায়
ভালোবাসি।
ভালোবাসি.
Do you know this is English sentence?
What is this?
If you don't mind, okay.
What is it?
This is Bengal English sentence. Yeah, I love you.
Ah, I love you. I like it. Now I know.
Okay. Repeat after me. আমি তোমায়
আমি তোমায়
ভালোবাসি।
ভালোবাসি. আমি তোমায়
Wow, you
ভালোবাসি.
are very.
Hello,
Hello, how are you, ma'am?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm fine. Thank.
I'm glad to hear. What is your name?
Actually, my name is Nuruddin. And you?
My name is Hasne.
Okay, good, Hasne.
Nice to
Where are you
meet you.
from? Okay, nice to meet you too.
I am from New York, but for the past 4 years, I have been living in Spain.
Okay, so you are living in Spain. Okay.
I'm living in Spain, yeah.
Yeah, actually, I am from Bangladesh.
Bangladesh. Okay, very nice. Can you tell me a little bit about the city that you live in and where you live?
Yeah, something.
Yeah. So what city in Bangladesh do you live in?
Yeah, I'm Bangladesh living this city, Sylhet.
Sylhet. Okay, very nice. Is it a big city, a small city? What is it like?
Yeah, this is very big city in Bangladesh, Sylhet.
Okay, very nice. And
So where in New York, which city?
in New York?
Yeah, which city you are living?
So New York, I live in, it's a part of New York that is called Long Island.
Oh, okay, Island.
Long
Yeah,
Island.
Okay, which city you are living? Okay, Long Island.
It's a part of New York.
I see. Okay.
But now,
So actually,
yeah, go ahead.
ma'am, today I want to talk with you. Yeah.
Okay.
On topic.
Sure.
So, okay. So I want to know from you some preposition. Okay, only two preposition.
To what?
Okay, can you help me? Okay, so today I want to talk with you to and towards preposition. When will I use? Please kindly give me some information about this. I'll be very happy.
Okay, can you just repeat that really quickly? Information on what?
To and towards. To and towards. When will I use?
To, going to. Okay, so like going to and towards, no?
Okay, good.
So when you're going to a place, that means that you're going to, right?
Okay.
But
Yeah.
towards can be like in this direction or in that direction, depending on who says it. I am, for example, this is the phone, right? I am going towards the phone. If the phone's here, I'm going towards the phone. Okay, so it depends on the direction you're going when you will use towards.
Okay, I have understood.
You understood?
You are very good teacher.
Thank you.
Today you are looking very beautiful.
Thank you so much.
So, ma'am, if you don't mind, can I tell you?
Yeah.
So, can you do you know about our Bangladesh Bengali language?
Bangladesh what?
Bengali language. Can you speak?
No. I know two languages. I know English and Spanish. English and Spanish. So, no Bangladesh.
Okay, repeat after me. This is very small sentence. Bangladesh.
Okay.
আমি
আমি
তোমায়
তোমায়
ভালোবাসি।
ভালোবাসি।
Okay, good. আমি তোমায়
আমি তোমায়
yeah,
মেশি
ভালোবাসি। ভালোবাসি।
ভালোবাসি।
Okay,
What?
good. আমি
আমি
তোমায়
তোমায়
ভালোবাসি।
ভালোবাসি.
Do you know this is English sentence?
What is this?
If you don't mind,
What
okay.
is it?
This is English sentence. Yeah, I love you.
Ah, I love you. I like it. Now I know.
Okay. Repeat after me. আমি তোমায়
আমি তোমায়
ভালোবাসি।
ভালোবাসি. আমি তোমায়
Wow, you are
ভালোবাসি.
very
We have to say goodbye,
আমি
okay? Bye-bye.
okay. Good.